Hello everyone, in this course I will teach you all you need to know for SQL. SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in relational databases. Standard query language, so it's actually a standard. It is commonly used in many relational databases such as Oracle, DB2, MySQL. Throughout the entire course I will use a ready-made system available to us on a website. The School 3 website has tutorials for many programming languages. It also offers the advantage of making samples without any installation on your computer. You can reach School 3 website from the link in the description. If you want, you can try the SQL commands I will show if you have any relational database installed on your computer. In the first part, I will tell you how to use select queries. We can see the data in the database using select. It is the most basic command used in relational databases. It starts with the select command. The asterisk command indicates that we want to see all the columns of the table. A table name is given after the from command. Let's try this command in the database. When the Run SQL button is clicked, it shows us all the columns and data in the table. 91 data were listed. Let's try different tables. Let's take a look at the data of the categories table instead of customers. It contains 8 records. Let's take a look at the employees table. The employees table has 10 data. Sometimes we want to see the information in several columns instead of all the data in the table. Column names can be given directly instead of asterisks. It also improves performance if there are too many records in the table. 10 records listed. Note that only the specified columns are listed. Let's access all the records of the customers table. We should use asterisks instead of column names. 91 records listed. Let's specify the column names specifically. Only the data belonging to the specified columns are displayed. Let's take a look at the country column. "91 records listed." Sometimes we don't want to see duplicate recordings. Germany data is in more than one table. Also, France data is in the table more than once. We can use distinct command to avoid duplicate data. 91 records were shown before the distinct command. Duplicate data was not displayed thanks to the distinct command. Note that only 21 data is shown. Sometimes we need the number of data. Count function we can find out the number of data. Let's do a short example. In this way, we can learn that 21 countries are included in the table. Thanks for watching.